In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the alignment pins in the modular connection system. Use 2 picks or small screwdrivers to remove the C-clip on the back of the alignment pin. Slide the alignment pin forward to remove it from the block and discard. Slide the round wire clip provided over the tapered end of the new alignment pin until it falls into the forwardmost groove. Insert the non-tapered end of the alignment pin through the alignment pin hole on the front face of the latch block. Firmly press a C-clip into the groove on the non-tapered side of the alignment pin. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at DixonValve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.